Example of a conversation in an elevator.
Assalamualaikum, how are you?
Waalaikum salam, I am fine, how about you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm going to the office and you?
Going to university. What do you do in the office?
I work as an engineer. What do you study at university?
I study civil engineering. Do you want to come to university?
No, I'm busy. But thanks for the invitation.
Additional conversation.
How do you spend your time at university?
I spend a lot of time studying and in the library.
That's good. Do you have any friends at university?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you want to meet after school?
Yes, I will be happy.
I want to go to the restaurant. Do you want to come with me?
Yes, I will come with you. Thanks for the invitation.
You're welcome.
Terima kasih telah menonton, semoga bermanfaat dan jangan lupa subscribe untuk kemajuan channel ini.